Good morning, my dear students of class 4. So, students, I think all of you are just fit, fine, active at your home, just as I have mentioned earlier in our previous videos too. So, are you enjoying your online classes? Yes? Good. So, students, do learn all the topics given to you every day in your online classes so that you can easily catch up all the topics easily here. Okay, so just learn all your topics being taught to you every day. Here I am, your science teacher, Mrs. Aarti Negi, and today we are going to study a very interesting topic. So just tell me, just make a guess. Chalo batao. What we are going to study today with the help of this image. Just try to find out the answer. What are you going to study today? Can you imagine? Can you guess the topic? Yes. Today we are going to study about our solar system. You know, there is a vast space present around us. A universe filled with many planets, many stars, many suns, and in that universe, our galaxy, that is a Milky Way galaxy. Students, just learn this name, Milky Way. Milky Way is the name of our galaxy, and in the Milky Way galaxy we used to live in our solar system, and in the solar system we used to live in a planet that is Earth. So this is complete image of our solar system, that how it looks. In our solar system, the main center is a sun, and from the sun the 8 planets are revolving around it every times. Sorry, I'm sorry. It is from around the sun every time 8 planets. Total there are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. The 4 inner planets and 4 are the outer planet. But here you are watching 9 things here. The last one, this is a Pluto. Pluto is now not considered a planet. Okay, students. So nowadays there are only 8 planets are there. Now let's move with our very first thing from our solar system, that is our sun, the main source of energy for all of us. Sun is a center point of our solar system, and all the planets revolves around the sun all the times. Sun is actually a star, and it is a nearest star to us. Okay, and all the planets revolves around the sun, and sun used to give heat energy and light energy to all the planets. Now come to the planets. The first planet of our solar system is Mercury. Yes, the Mercury. Mercury is the nearest to the sun, and it is it is a second small planet. Okay, second smallest planet from our solar system. And you know, it is a planet that complete its one revolution around the sun only in 88 days. Okay, means as we took 1 year to complete a circle around the sun, Mercury took only 88 days to complete its one circle around the sun. Now our next planet is Venus, and you know Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system. Okay, and it is also called as a evening star because sometimes it's appear in the sky as a evening star also. So that's why it is also called evening star. Venus is Venus is the nearest planet to the Earth, but here the temperature during the daytime is too much, and at the night it's also very much, because it is a hottest planet because of the presence of very high percentage of carbon dioxide gas. Because carbon dioxide gas is there, so its temperature is very high all the time during the day and night also. Now next planet is our own planet, that is Earth. You know Earth is a third planet from the sun, and it is the fifth largest planet. Means we comes in the fifth position among all the planets. About its size, means we are fifth largest planet, and it is also called blue planet because of the presence of water here. Means when a person looks Earth from the space, it looks blue. That's why it is also called blue planet. And here all the conditions are favorable for the survival of life. Means here water is present, oxygen gas is present, temperature is very good, neither too hot nor too cold. So all these things makes the Earth favorable for the survival of life. So only on the Earth life is possible. Now students, let's move to our next planet, that is Mars. Movie देखी थी मिशन मंगल, that is about to Mars. Okay, so Mars is also called red planet because it looks reddish orange in color, and it is very much similar to Earth also. And there are some possibility that water is present on the Mars. That's why too many scientists, astronauts, they are trying to find water and the conditions for the survival of living organisms there. So they are trying to find out on the Mars also. Okay, and you know, as we have one moon around us, but Mars have its two moons. Okay, and these are called its natural satellite. As moon is our natural satellite, Mars have its two natural satellites. Now students, please next move to our next planet, that is Jupiter. Jupiter is fastest rotating planet. Means here the time duration of day and night is less in comparative to Earth and other planets, and it is the biggest planet of our solar system. It is 11 times bigger than our Earth, and it rotates less than 10 hours. Means a day and a night takes only 10 hours, as we used to take in 24 hours. But in the Jupiter, the time period of a day and a night is only 10 hours. And it looks very bright because of the presence of white clouds here made up of dust and other things. Okay, so do remember one thing, Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Now our next planet, that is Saturn. You know, the Saturn have a rings around it, And these rings look so beautiful when we used to see it from the telescope. And these rings, as you can see here, these are the rings. These rings are made up of dust particles, small rock particles, that ice particles that are moving around the planet with a high speed. That's why it looks very beautiful. Okay, and the planet Saturn ring can be seen from the earth also, means their rings are so reflecting that we can see them from our earth too. Okay, now next move to our next coming planet is a Uranus. Uranus looks like a bluish green color because here the atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen gas, and this planet is a bluish green in color and is situated very far away from the earth. Okay, and now come to our last planet, that is Neptune. Neptune is a eighth planet from the sun, or you can say it is a last planet of our solar system. And Neptune also have rings around it, just like the planet that I have told you, that is Saturn. And you know a very interesting thing about Neptune, that is Neptune have its 8 moons. Yes, means it is a planet with 8 moons, 8 natural satellites that are revolving around it. So students, these were our planets and the sun. So just make I'm giving you a homework to draw the solar system that you are watching here. Draw the solar system in a page neatly, and then learn the sequence of the planet also in a proper sequence manner, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Just learn the sequence, draw this diagram and send it to me in our mail ID, that is vbbshakarpur online classes @gmail.com. So students, do your studies regularly, watch your online classes every day, and do your homework on the time and send it to me in a proper format. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Keep learning and stay at your home.